Alright, you're most welcome for today's session. Today we are going to make a postoperative bed. Postoperative bed is a bed for the patients who have undergone operation. Before the procedure, we are going to start with the hand washing. Okay, we are going to put on our apron to protect our uniform. Then after, we put on our gloves. Okay, and then we start by pulling the bed away from the wall. Then we put our two chairs at the foot of the bed. Then after, we pick our requirements and put on the chairs. Okay, so we shall start by checking the screen. And then we turn the mattress. And we start with the long mackintosh. Then we put our top sheet. Right at the corner. This is our draw sheet. Then after, we put our top sheet. So this one we are not going to tuck in, we are going to leave it like this. And then we put our blanket. Then we shall start folding our blanket from the top. Then we fold the top sheet. Go to the bottom. Fold this one because it is long. Side, but from the side of the wall, we are going to tuck in. So from this side, I will fold like this, and then like this, then we make a path. Then after, we are going to put our small mackintosh at the top side to protect the bed from secretion. Then we put the towel. Follow it. And then after, we shall dress our pillow, which we are going to put at the bedside, not on the bed direct, because the patient is from theater, is not supposed to use the pillow. So we are going to put one chair at the bedside to put our pillow.
The main thing.
And then we cover our bed as we wait for the patient from theater, such that the bed will be warm. So we are going to tuck in the bottom. This side we don't tuck it. So our bed is ready, waiting for the patient to come back from theater, and then we shall put the patient on bed. So we put it back. So after completely making the postoperative bed, there are many things we have to put at the bedside. That is one of them, the drip stand, whereby when the patient comes and the fluid is there, we are going to use it for hanging the fluid. And then we are also supposed to have the tray for vitals. When you bring the patient from theater, immediately you have to take the vital of the patients and you record. And then also emergency tray, in case of anything, we put at the bedside such that it will help us. And then lastly, we are supposed to have the sanctioning machine. As we say that when the patient comes from theater, always they have secretion. Also, we are supposed to have the oxygen to be ready. It is not a must that when you bring the patient will be on oxygen, but we want everything to be ready so that in case the patient needs, we already have it at the bedside. That is all. Thank you so much.